Hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo XC60 T6 Momentum in denim blue metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This all-wheel drive SUV has less than 15,000 miles on it. It's got some cool safety features. You know, it's a Volvo, one of the safest cars on the road. It has the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, the semi-autonomous drive mode. It has lane keeping aid, blind spot information system, city safety collision avoidance. That's large animal and pedestrian detection as well. Those 20-inch wheels are beautiful. I love those wheels. Integrated roof rails. You could accessorize this vehicle. You could also put a tow hitch on, so you could put a bike rack on the back or tow up to 3,500 pounds. Keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate. This is a T6, so it's the faster engine. It is a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, and you'll get 316 horsepower. This has the protection package, so you get rubber mats throughout, and you also get this metal bumper cover, which I highly recommend. And this has the power folding back seats. That was part of the convenience package on this one. So you'll be able to fold them down from here, but you'll have to manually pop them back up. Back seats are super clean. Very comfortable. It's got the panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade and power in the back. Cool little details to let you know that there was a lot of love and care put into putting these vehicles together. So we have a Swedish flag sewn into the seat here, and then you also have the Swedish flag on the trim, on the inlays right here. If you're not looking, you might miss it, but it's a cool little detail. Aluminum inlays. Features when we start up: city safety, pilot assist. So pilot assist, so that's with the adaptive cruise control. So if you're driving along and you set your cruise control, you'll be able to, if you push the right arrow, the pilot assist will pop up. And when that pops up and the steering wheel illuminates in green, you know that the car has control over the steering and the acceleration and the braking. And so you'll be able to stay in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. And you can decide what that safe distance is here. You can go closer up here or further back there. This has heated front seats, and you'll be able to access that here, and heated steering wheel. And then your climate control is all right here. Choose where you'd like the heat or cool to go. Navigation. Find some of the vehicle functions off to the left, and then all the way to the right is where you'll find some apps. You'll be able to download. This has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can download whatever apps you'd like to have. Well, this is a beautiful day to buy a car. This is stock number 6134A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information, and we hope to see you soon on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.